Hello everyone! Welcome to the almond orchards in California. Have you ever wondered how these delicious and nutritious almonds are grown and harvested? Did you know, despite being one of the top walnut producers globally, California walnuts are particularly renowned for their excellent flavor and nutritional benefits? Join me as we uncover the secrets behind harvesting and processing walnuts. Let's get started. Walnut trees have a fascinating life cycle. From planting the seeds, they require careful nurturing to grow and produce nuts. It all starts with planting the seeds. Farmers select the best seeds and plant them in meticulously prepared soil. Throughout their growth, walnut trees need meticulous care. Watering, fertilizing, and pest control are crucial aspects. Today, modern technology has enabled more efficient farming practices. Drip irrigation systems and automated fertilizer machines ensure walnut trees receive adequate water and nutrients. After years of dedicated care, walnut trees begin to bear fruit. Join us as we explore the harvesting and processing of walnuts in the next segment. After years of careful nurturing, walnut trees are finally ready for harvest. This is the most important and exciting stage in the walnut production process. To harvest walnuts, farmers use specialized machinery to shake the trees, causing the walnuts to fall quickly and efficiently. Once the walnuts have fallen, they are gathered using modern harvesting equipment, saving time and effort. After harvest, the walnuts are transported to processing plants in dedicated trucks. At the processing plant, the walnuts are cleaned thoroughly to remove impurities. This step is crucial to ensure the quality of the final product. To maintain quality and flavor, the walnut kernels are dried at optimal temperatures and humidity levels. This process helps preserve their crispness and nutritional content. Next, the walnuts are passed through modern hulling machines. These machines quickly remove the outer shells while preserving the kernels inside. The walnut kernels undergo another quality check. Any kernels that do not meet the standards are removed. Finally, the walnut kernels are packaged and prepared for distribution. This process ensures that the walnuts reaching consumers are always fresh and of high quality. Next up, at each stage, the quality of the walnuts is meticulously checked. Skilled workers and modern machines collaborate to ensure only the finest walnuts reach consumers. From humble seeds through careful nurturing and harvesting, walnuts have evolved into a high-quality product ready for export and consumption worldwide. The walnut production process in the U.S. boasts many advantages such as high product quality, advanced technology, and rigorous quality control procedures. However, challenges persist, like high production costs and weather conditions. Before we wrap up, let's take a look at some show-stopping dishes made from walnuts. Thank you for watching the video. See you next time. Have a great day. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon to catch more exciting videos.